Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the site identity block in Kadence. This is a mini-series taking a look at Kadence blocks one by one. To get started, let's go ahead and make a brand new blank page to look at this block on its own. So if you're on your front end, that is your website, and you're logged in, we'll have the stop toolbar. Hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you're on your dashboard, head over to your left-hand sidebar, down to Pages, and click on Add New Page. This will take us to the WordPress block editor. Alright, once we're here, just a few housekeeping things. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's a button beside Publish called Settings. Click on that. And this is where all of the settings and parameters for us to toggle and configure for the block will appear. Next, let's give our page a title. And last but not least, let's add the block itself. So there's this blue button over here with a plus icon called the block inserter. Go ahead and click on that. Oops, okay. Now we can either search for the block or scroll down. And we don't have to go too far because Kadence is on the top of the list for us. And there we have site identity. Now we can either click on this or drag and drop it into our workspace. Let's close this up just to give ourselves some more room to work with. And you can see that we have our site identity Kadence block. Now, this is the parent block. That is, this whole blue outlined area is our Kadence site identity block. Now, if we were to click on these individual ones, you can see the logo is grayed out, and this is a default WordPress one. Now, where does the media come from? Where does this come from? How does it know that it's meant to say website assets? Well, real quick, let's head over to our main front end over here, and on the top toolbar, click on Customize. This will take us to the WordPress Customizer, and I'll show you where these elements or blocks themselves get the information. So how it knows which image to display, how it knows which text to display. All right, and to give you just a quick look, let's go ahead and click on our logo over here. Hover over it, and there's these three dots. Okay, click on that, and we have our header logo. And this widget here is where this gets this. So if I were to edit this and choose the other icon, that is this one, all right, and publish it, as well as the site title, there we go. And we can also go back over here to our site identity, and our site title is here. So if I were to change it to something else, that's how it would be. Let's go ahead and preview this in a new tab if it even saves. And there you go. It's the one we just changed it to, right? So that's how we set up where we get our site title and site logo. Let's go ahead and actually look at this Kadence block itself. So we can show the title and the tagline, which we've seen where we get them, or where we actually change them. And we have these different arrangements for us to use. We can also do this one. I'll probably go with this right side one, and or yeah, I think that should be fine. Yeah, let's go with this. And it links to the home page, or we can have it linked to somewhere else. Next, we have our style, and we can change our typography here. And we scroll down, we can change the typography for both the title and the tagline. And we can change it to be bold or italics, depending on what our font offers for us. And last but not least, our padding and margins. So if we wanted all of this to move over one side or the other, if it was colliding with other elements, we can do that here. and our advanced settings such as HTML anchor and additional CSS classes. Now that's about what we have for this. If we were to click on this, we can change the text color to be something else. And let's change this one to be blue. Okay. And we can adjust our border and radius here if we put a background on it as well. And we can also link this to home, but as you've seen earlier, this whole area links to our home page. So that's about as far as you can customize this. It's just simply getting your logo, your icon, and your site title and site tagline. Let's go ahead and click on Publish and take a look at how this looks like on our actual website. Okay, with that saved, let's go ahead and click on View Page, and this is how it looks like on our actual website. So we have what we have, exactly the same as expected, and if you click on it, it'll take us to our home page. So there is the Kadence block, site identity block in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.